Hi, you guys. This is Kiki, owner of Self Care Apparel, and we're back with another video. Okay, earlier today, while I was at work, I told y'all this is the series of not starting, quitting my 9 to 5 job. Huh? So, I'm going to be taking a journey. Okay, baby. Oh, yeah. These fries are good. I'm going to be taking y'all through this journey with me of leaving my 9 to 5 so I could be more proactive at home and proactive in my business because right now it's really taking a toll on me. Um, let's see. But yeah, earlier I couldn't really talk in depth because we did get busy and I just, yeah, when I tell you my nerves erupted, and okay. So where we left off. So I started working at Michael's, like I told you, 2019 and all the way up to 2023. Because I just found my name tag and it said it. But I started working up to there. And like I said, the environment won't as rough until holiday season. And when holiday season come around, it's just like customers just don't know what to do. Like they act like it's the last of the holidays that they need to bum rush us at Michael's. Um, but overall with my
I got free fries.
okay. Overall with my 9 to 5 experience, I could tell y'all this. I just always said I want to be my own boss. I want to do my own things. I don't want to keep waking up on people's clock. I don't want to keep working under people. I just want to be my own boss. Like I want to be my own boss. I am my own boss. Like I just kept saying that. And I said this with my good job of Harris Teeter. Like with Harris Teeter, I love working there. That's another good job. I love working at Harris Teeter. But when you have people in your life that doesn't want you to win and they ruin everything that you got, yeah. Still do have them people. But you gotta keep them close. Okay? Hold on, y'all. Okay. We back, y'all. So that's that for story time. I will have more of this journey with y'all. I will have more of this journey with y'all. What else am I talking about? Oh, y'all see the shirt I'm wearing? It says loving you is the best healing ever. And this is one of my spring self-love shirts. So if you want a self-love shirt, I do have this going on a website tonight. Um, I will have it in, I want to say some colors, but not all colors, depending on, because the font is very light pink. And I know I have like a pink and a red. I don't know. Hopefully, whatever color or whoever choose, what color, anyway, I'll go out and get it. But hopefully, I will go out and get some white shirts so it can be very pretty on white. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna end this video right here. Obviously, I have to finish eating and then I have to do the editing and I have to finish the website, the new website. And so hopefully I'll take y'all through there as I do everything behind the scenes. I'm gonna just come out with videos until we get an audience. But I am going to manifest our audience. As y'all can see, as y'all see up there, that white poster board, I just added Bible verses. So I will be saying my scriptures on the piece of papers I added. And so yeah. And for more videos, y'all, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.